Welcome to this session. I'm going to take you through cataloging. By the end of this session, I expect you to be able to define the term cataloging, explain the kinds of cataloging, distinguish between online catalog and card catalog, describe the elements of catalog, and lastly, analyze the goals of cataloging. I'm going to start with the definition of cataloging. What is cataloging? Cataloging is a general term that refers to the process of creating and organizing a catalog or inventory of items or resources. It involves systematically describing and recording various attributes and details of items to facilitate their retrieval and identification. In the context of libraries, cataloging is the process of creating bibliographic records for books, periodicals, audiovisual materials, and other resources. These records typically include information such as title, author, publishers, publication dates, subject headings, and other relevant data. Cataloging ensures that library materials are organized and searchable, enabling users to locate and access resources they need. Cataloging follows established standards and rules such as Anglo-American cataloging rules or resources distribution and access to ensure consistency and interoperability between different libraries and cataloging systems. The records are often stored in library catalog or an online database, allowing users to search and retrieve information about specific items. Let's look at the types of cataloging. We have two types of cataloging, that is, original cataloging and copy cataloging. The two approaches to cataloging materials in libraries, both original and copy cataloging, serves the purpose of making resources discoverable and accessible to the users. The choice between the two methods depends on factors such as the uniqueness of the item, the availability of suitable catalog records, the importance of local and combination of original and copy cataloging strategies to efficiency building and maintain their collections while providing accurate and comprehensive cataloging information. Let's start with the original cataloging. Original cataloging involves creating a new bibliographic record from scratch for resources that has not been cataloged before. It is typically done for unique or rare materials, newly published materials, resources that require specialized cataloging treatment. Let's look at the copy cataloging. Copy cataloging, on the other hand, involves using an existing bibliographic record from another library or catalog to describe and catalog a resource in the local library's collection. Instead of creating a new record, the cataloger identifies a matching record for the resource being cataloged and makes any necessary adjustment and enhance to suit the local library requirements. What is a card catalog? It is a method by which the library puts a system of all acquisition. A filing cabinet contains all the cards arranged alphabetically order. Card letters are on the front of each drawer. Tell what cards are in the drawer. There are three types of cards in the card catalog. What is an online catalog? Online catalog is a library catalog consisting of collection of bibliographic records in a machine-readable format maintained on a dedicated computer that provides uninterrupted interactive access via terminals or workstations in direct communication with the central computer. Although the software is used in online catalog is proprietary and not standardized. Most online catalogs are searchable by author, title, subject heading, and keyword. And most public and academic libraries in the United States provide free public access, usually through a website. What makes these distinction? There are those who call an online catalog the online card catalog or something similar. There are no cards on the computer, so that calling the online computer a card catalog is misnomer. Card refers only to medium the catalog appears on. Let's look at the elements of cataloging from the Audley's definition. The first one is bibliographic description, subject analysis, assignment of classification notation, which is essentially what classification is. Activities involved in physical property, the item for the shelf. What is the information do you put into the catalog then? We put the basic bibliographic information, the basic physical information, and the subject information. What is bibliographic description? The official international definition, it is the list of all elements which are required to describe and identify all types of materials which are likely to appear in library collection. What is the prescribed order of a bibliography? Area 1, the title and statement of the responsibility. Area 2, the edition. Area 3, material dependent information. Area 4, publication and distribution. Area 5, physical description. Area 6, the series. Area 7, notes. Area 8, the standard number, that is international standard book number. What is the punctuation? ISBD punctuation. It has the title proper, parallel title, other title information, first statement of responsibility, others, edition of information, material, place, publication, publication name, dimension, and here is an example of bibliographic record. We see it introduction to cataloging and classification. That is the title of the book. The author of the book is Bohan S. Weiner. It is the 8th edition. It is Ali G. Taylor. Include Colo Libraries information. The library sans text series. What do punctuation symbols? First, it is usually means that what's included within the bracket is general materials designation, e.g., physical or electronic or other formats. 2. Usually means what comes first is the main title and what comes after is the subtitle. If there are spaces before and after, or what comes first is the place of publication and what comes after is the publisher. The slash means what follows is the statement of responsibility, i.e. author, edition, etc. What's the advantages of having everything so standardized? It is that you can recognize and read a bibliographic record no matter what language or script it's written in. You can tell what's being described no matter what kind of material is. Let's look at an example of a catalog in different languages. Example in Bulgarian. You see it has author, title, subtitle, statement of responsibility, edition area, publication area, physical description. Let's come to the example in German. In German, you see it has the title, that is Lexikon der Kunst eigentlich. It has the general material definition case, it has the subtitle, statement of responsibility, publication area, it has series information, standard number, and physical description. Let's look at in English. In English, it has the main title, it has the subtitle, statement of the responsibility, it has the format, the GMD format, that is which the main title is written. It has edition, it has publication, physical description, and series number. In this you see they all have common things. Let's look now at the goals of cataloging. The goals of cataloging revolve around making resources easily discoverable, accessible, and usable for library users, supporting efficient collection, management, ensuring consistency, and preserving the intellectual and cultural heritage contained within library collection. Goals of cataloging can be summarized as follows. First, it facilitates resource discovery. The primary goal of cataloging is to make resources easily discoverable and accessible to users. By creating accurate, comprehensive bibliographic records, cataloging enables users to search and locate specific resources based on their titles, authors, subject, or other relevant information. Catalogs serves as finding aids, helps users navigate and explore library collection. The second goal is ensuring access and retrieval. Cataloging aims to provide efficient access to resources by organizing them in logical and consistent manner. By assigning call numbers and classification codes, cataloging ensures that materials are arranged in a systematic order on shelves, making it easy for users to locate them physically within the library. Additionally, cataloging utilizes control vocabularies and subject heading to facilitate subject-based search, improving the precision and relevance of such results. The third goal is supporting collection management. Cataloging plays a crucial role in managing library collection. By creating bibliographic records, cataloging provides an inventory of resources, allowing libraries to track and manage their holdings. This includes monitoring the status of items, e.g. loans, lost, and damage, identifying duplication, evaluating gaps in subject coverage, and making information decisions regarding acquisition, decision, and collection development. The fourth goal is ensuring consistency and standardization. Cataloging adheres to established standard rules and formats such as Anglo-American Cataloging Rule 2 or RDA to ensure consistency in interoperability between different libraries and catalog systems. By following these standards, cataloging achieves uniformly the presentation of bibliographic data, making it easier to the library users. That is the end of our session. Let me give you an assignment. Go look for what is the FRBR and what is the need. Is it necessary on our unit? Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it.